Hey, what's up? My name is Maurice Nicholas, and over the quarantine, I have not been working out the way I would have liked to, and I've kind of put on a few pounds. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I put on a lot of pounds, but that's okay. It's okay. What I plan to do about that is to get back out here and work out and try to at least run a mile every single day. I used to run a mile every single day and at least go to the gym and lift, but now I've just been shooting and sitting at home and not doing a whole lot due to quarantine. And in the first half of the quarantine, gyms were closed, so I wasn't able to go to the gym. I kind of got in the habit of not going to the gym. And here we are, and I'm probably about 30 pounds heavier, which on me, I probably don't look that big, but trust me, I gained a lot of weight. So I ordered the new Apple Watch SE because my old watch, as you can see, kind of fell apart, kind of broke there. And I never sent it in to get it fixed by Apple. I kind of just went without a watch for a long time, so that's the reason why I never got it fixed. But with that being said, I remember a time when I used to keep up with my workouts and keep up with my calorie burn. So I figured, let's order another watch, especially since the SE comes in at a cheaper price of just $309, and that's an amazing deal for just the GPS version. So I figured I would order another watch and get back to working out, and this will be my motivation to keep up with my workouts and keep up with my calorie burn. And also, Apple is releasing a new Apple Fitness, so I figured this would be a great time to get a new watch, download that app, do the whole Apple One plan, and just get fit. So I'm gonna get back in shape and I'm gonna start working out again, and I'm even gonna challenge some of my friends to start working out. I know with the Apple Watch, we can all link up and check each other's calories burned for the day and see who did what. And I like it because me and my cousin used to do it all the time, and it used to keep me motivated when I would see his workout progress, and so it would make me try to go as hard or harder. So with all that said and all that out the way, let's get started with the unboxing. Now, I'm not gonna flip it to that side because I don't want you guys to see my dress, but this is the shipment box it came in. And this right here, my friends, is the new Apple Watch SE. Now, I don't remember the box being this small or even looking like this. I think this has everything to do with Apple trying to reduce their carbon footprint, so they're making the box smaller. I'm almost positive this did not ship with a power brick. But beyond that, the Apple Watch Series 6 and the Apple Watch SE box looks very similar. I think the only difference is instead of this being white, or if you got a white box, this being black, I think the Apple Watch Series 6 has the grooved Apple Watch logo here. But other than that, as far as the box goes, they look really similar. So let's get to opening it up. So, as we take the plastic off, turn it around, we have these two pull tabs here. Pop those open. And here is the first piece of the Apple Watch. I'm assuming this is the actual watch itself. And then we have the Apple Watch Sport Band. I decided to go with the Nike edition because it doesn't cost me any extra. And on top of that, I am a Nike fan. As you can see, I have everything Nike: shoes, shirts, gym shorts, and I figured why not go with a Nike band. I even have Nike stock, if that shows you how much of a Nike fan I am. This is the artwork of the box. This is what the inside of the box look like. But let's open the actual watch. So inside the box, you have designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. Usually it says designed in California, so was this not designed in California? So when you take that out, you have paperwork. Yeah, this is your paperwork. It shows you how to operate the watch, charge it, all that good stuff. This is your actual charger. So you place it here, the back of the watch here, to charge the watch. Very similar to the original watch. I don't think the design of the Apple Watch has changed much over the years. And then finally, the watch itself. So you have this small pebble-shaped watch again. They all look really similar. I think the difference between mine and this one is that the watch face got a lot bigger. But other than that, they look really similar to each other. And then on to the actual watch band. Let's open that up. So this is the inside of the Apple Watch band. We have, instructions on how to put the watch band on. We have, it looks like they gave me 2 different sizes. Now that is one thing that they did not do in the first one. I did not receive 2 different sizes. I received one size. Luckily enough, the size I received in my first one was, it did fit my wrist. So that's really cool that they sent out 2 different sizes for those who have bigger or smaller wrists. I'll leave the small in there because I definitely won't be using that small one. Let's put the bands inside the watch. So if it's anything like the last one, I'm assuming they just slide in like they did before. Yep. Seems pretty simple. I accidentally turned it on when I was sliding the watch pins in, but this is the 2020 Apple Watch SE. It looks really good. So checking out this watch compared to my old watch, I would say the differences is this feels a lot better. It feels a little heavier. The materials on this look a lot better as well. I like the bigger watch face. The watch face looks really incredible. I have all the new updated technologies compared to the old watch. And then finally, the Apple Watch Nike edition has all the Nike, is it a wing or is it a check? I'm gonna say Nike wing because that's from what I understand, it's a Nike wing. But it has all the Nike logos on the Apple Watch, which I really like, and that was the main reason why I went with this version. So that is the unboxing of the Apple Watch SE, and it feels really good on my wrist. I'm going to get this thing started. I know if it's based on the last one, it takes a little while to get it working and functioning, and from that point on, I will get to using it. If you guys would like to see a review of this watch, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to review this one, especially since I haven't had one since the first version. So if there's anybody out there that's like me who hasn't had an Apple Watch since the first version, I would love to review this for you, and I'm going to start tracking my fitness and keeping up with my workouts and my calories burned. And don't get me wrong, I understand that with fitness, it takes more than just working out. I have to eat better as well. But for me, this is a start. So I figured if I go ahead and get the Apple Watch and start keeping up with my calories and keeping up with my workouts, then that will eventually spill over into other aspects of my life, like eating better and, just watching my health in general. But with all that being said, this is all for this video. My name is Maurice Nicholas, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.